Here's my poor dog. She's got to go outside and go to the bathroom. I don't know if we can get out there, honey. You might have to dig a trail. We're looking out the windows here. The snow is literally up to the top of our split rail fence, so that's not good. Guy across the street is completely snowed in. You ready? You want to go out here? Let's go see what we got. Be the first time we're opening up the door. I don't know, Grace. Just wait. Hey. What is that? What is that? Go on. No. You don't want to go? Oh boy. Yeah. There's my truck. I had shoveled this out about 5 times. The plows have just plowed in the back of her car. Without a doubt, we got well over a foot. I think we got 14 to 17 inches. Looks like a mess. Great. Okay. Since the snow right to the top of our door, shut this camera off and go from there.